Stinky. Hey, Lulu.
Okay, that's all you get, Bob. And you have like Luna.
She likes the bunnies. She sits in here on the fence and watches them.
She take when the one bunny
This one has tiny
when
bites.
she had those bunnies, Luna went over there and like licked them and cleaned them. It was so cute.
Bob's like, why'd you take my carrot?
Here, you want more carrot? Oh my gosh, she is definitely.
Oh my god.
Well, actually, you get a lot because I didn't give you any.
Hey, will you put Jailbreak's cage back over here? Just set it over here so you're not tripping over it.
Ooh.
Set it back up.
This bunny has the tiniest bites. It's cute.
I like how Jailbreak actually did that.
Okay, I can.
No, his name is Brother Bunny.
Brother bunny. I was hoping that.
No, it was, we don't have a bunny named Jailbreak.
I was like, that would be.
We have one named Gangster Bunny.
We have
and
Gangster
Bandit.
Bunny and Bandit.
But no, it was Brother Bunny.
There you go. Here's my carrot.
Not jail bunny.
I think someone else broke him out, though. Because he actually just hangs out in there fine.
The sisters get carrots. No, you
I
want
know.
carrots?
Oh no, but you need food. You're pregnant.
She eats so much. Oh my gosh, the sisters are sharing a carrot right now and it's adorable. They're sharing the carrot while it's in my hand. They're sharing it. That is too cute. Can you see where the one had that and then the other one ate that? Those. Hey Alice, do you want a carrot? It's good. It's good. Here, try the other. No, you had your carrot.
Look, Lydia, he's got a carrot just stuck in there.
I know.
I'm letting her
Look.
eat it until she wants.
There's your carrot.
I know where.